So I know it is technically still winter, but it's gonna get quite warm here in the following days. So let's talk spring knitting plans. First up, I have the Maud blouse by Fable Knitwear. I would like to use some of the soft silk mohair in the artichoke purple color that I have left from the sweater number 33, and I have actually already started it. I had to order some more skeins of this soft silk mohair because I didn't have enough left. I have about this much done. I'm a bit honestly annoyed by the pattern because there's no row gauge, and I'm quite sure that my row gauge is much tighter than the pattern calls for, so I had to do one more set of the lace pattern. The second item that I also already sort of started is the gal sweater by Masha Ziablikova. I just have the cuff at this point, but this is done on 5mm needles, and I do not really like how loose the knit is, so I will probably size down to 4.5, maybe 4, and I will see what it will do to the overall fit. For this I'll be using the Dropkit silk. I have about 6 skeins of this, which I ordered about 6 months ago for a completely different project, and then I realized that I do not like this pinkish color for it, so this will be good use for it, I think. Third item, which I think will be quite helpful, will be the Paris, Texas sweater by Trust the Mojo. Obviously it is based on the sweater dress from Paris, Texas movie by Wim Wenders. I will be using Knitting for Olive soft silk mohair in the Pink Daisies color, and I'm planning to do some modifications to the original pattern because it is basically done like as a rectangle, and I would like to have be a bit more shaped in the waist area, so that will be interesting. I have no idea whether I will be able to finish it during spring. Maybe it will carry over to my summer knitting as well. We'll see. Probably the last thing I would like to do this spring is the Poet Top by Sari Nordlund. One of my local yarn store is doing Sari Nordlund knit along, but yeah, I would like to do the Poet Top in the pure silk by Knitting for Olive. I actually also have this in my collection for about 6 months, actually more than 6 months. One of the first items that I ever knit started knitting was the camisole number 4 by my favorite Things Knitwear, but I don't really like the finished object and it's too big, and I was at a constant flashing hazard when wearing it, so I would like to frog it and create the Poet Top from the yarn that I will get from it. If I have some more time, I would like to also try my hand at sock knitting and would like to do the Dancer socks by Sari Nordlund as well. I don't have any yarn for that yet, so yeah, these are my knitting plans for spring, and let's see how much I will be able to get done. Bye!